The Novsight H11 N30 is a type of automotive headlight bulb that is designed to be a replacement for the factory headlight bulbs in a vehicle. These bulbs are made to be a direct fit for the factory headlight housing, making installation a simple and straightforward process. The H11 N30 bulbs use LED technology, which is known for being energy efficient and long-lasting. They are also designed to emit a bright, white light that is similar in color to natural daylight, which can help improve visibility while driving at night. The Novsight H11 N30 also claims to have 30% more brightness than the standard halogen bulbs. It is generally marketed as upgrade headlight bulb suitable for the car, truck, and motorcycle.